Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can apply the Mosaic filters in VN app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the VN app. So I'm going to open the VN. Let's click on this. And after clicking on this, we have to click on the plus icon. And after clicking on the plus icon, we have to click on the new project. And after clicking on the new project, we need to choose the video, that which video you want to use. For example, I want to use this one. So let's click on this. And after clicking on it, we have to choose the next. And after clicking on the next, you will be redirected to the editing mode. So as you can see, we are here. Now simply what we have to do, we have to scroll from the here, and after scrolling here you will be able to see the option which is called Mosaic. So let's see where it is. As you can see, it's here. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, you have to choose the which type of effect you want. For example, if you want to do this one, you can also drag this, like it's in the rectangular, circular, the triangle. These all are provided here. For example, I'm going to choose this one, this one, this one. As you can see, the pillar is also provided here. You have to choose that which type of pillar, and if you want to increase the size, you can also do that. The size will be increased like this one, in this shape, in this shape, this shape. All the shapes are provided here, sizes are provided here, effects are provided here. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can apply the Mosaic and VN app. So see you guys in the next video.